If you're in the market for a drum sander, you've come to the right place. We've researched and tested some of the top drum sanders on the market to bring you this list of our favorites. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, we've got you covered. Be sure to check the links in the description box for more information on these drum sanders. Let's get started. JWDS Drum Sander. The JWDS 2244 is a powerful and efficient 22-inch drum sander with SandSmart control, which automatically regulates the speed to ensure optimal performance. This sander is an ideal for both professional and DIY use. One of the standout features of the JWDS 2244 is its toolless adjustments. The conveyor bed parallelism can be easily adjusted by turning the dial on the outside of the bed, making it simple to achieve a precise and even sanding surface. The JWDS 2244 is also designed to protect from heat. The precision-machined and dynamically balanced extruded aluminum drum is designed to dissipate heat, ensuring that the sander remains cool even during extended use. Another great feature is the efficient dust collection. The dust hood has an integrated channel that mirrors the shape of the drum and directs debris to the foreport, making it easy to keep the work area clean and dust-free. The stand for the JWDS 2244 is designed for stability and convenience. The stand has a 23:1/4 x 41:3/4 footprint to increase stability, a storage shelf and pre-drilled holes for casters, making it easy to move the sander around your shop or garage. Overall, the JWDS 2244 is a high-performance, durable, and easy-to-use sander that is perfect for a wide range of sanding projects. It is definitely a must-have tool for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. GRIZZLY Industrial Drum/Flap Sander. The GRIZZLY Industrial G8749 Drum Sander is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for shaping and finishing contours in a wide range of materials. This sander is a great addition to any shop that requires precision and efficiency in their sanding projects. This sander features two sanding surfaces, one with an inflatable sanding drum and the other with a flap sander. The inflatable drum can be adjusted to conform to the shape of the workpiece, resulting in a smooth and even finish. This versatile sander is suitable for a wide range of projects and provides excellent value for its price. The opposite side of the sander has a 10:1/2-inch diameter flap sander with 12 abrasive flaps and flexible bristle brushes. It removes material quickly while producing a smooth finish. This sander is built to last and is constructed with a heavy-duty cast iron frame that ensures stability and durability. The sander is also easy to use, with a simple on/off switch and an easy-to-read speed dial. In summary, the GRIZZLY Industrial G8749 Drum Sander is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for shaping and finishing contours in a wide range of materials. It is an ideal addition to any workshop that requires precision and efficiency in their sanding projects. Powermatic DIDS 225 Drum Sander. The Powermatic DIDS 225 Drum Sander is an excellent choice for those looking for a powerful and efficient tool that can handle heavy-duty work. With a 5 HP motor and dual steel drums coated with hard durometer rubber, this sander can provide a smooth finish on a wide range of sanding projects. One of the standout features of this sander is its dual dust ports with directional baffles, which allow for efficient dust collection and a clean work area. This also helps to prolong the life of the sander by reducing the amount of dust that can accumulate on the internal components. The DIDS 225 is also designed for versatility, with a 2-speed gearbox that allows you to adjust the speed depending on the project at hand. This makes the sander suitable for a wide range of materials and applications, from fine finishing to heavy-duty sanding. Built with a full-size cast iron table, this sander provides solid support and stability during use. This table also allows you to work on larger pieces, making the sander suitable for a wide range of projects. Additionally, the DIDS 225 is designed for adaptability with independently adjustable rear drum, allows for fine-tuning. This feature allows you to adjust the rear drum to suit the shape of your workpiece, ensuring a smooth and even finish. Super MX2 Ols Drum Sander. The Super MX2 Ols Drum Sander with closed mobile base stand is a versatile and efficient tool that is designed to make sanding projects easier and more efficient. With its maximum width of 50 inches, this sander is suitable for a wide range of materials and applications, from fine finishing to heavy-duty sanding. The 5x25 extruded aluminum drum ensures a smooth and even finish, while the powerful 1-3/4 HP TFC motor and direct drive conveyor motor provide consistent and reliable performance. This sander has an efficient dust collection system, including a dust hood with a 1-4 vacuum port. The system efficiently collects dust and debris, keeping your work area clean and reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Additionally, the closed mobile base stand provides stability and convenience, allowing you to easily move the sander around your workshop or garage. The sander is also equipped with a variable speed conveyor motor that ranges from 0 to 10 FPM, ensuring that your workpiece is transported smoothly and evenly through the sander. The sander can handle materials ranging from 1/32 inch to 4 inches thick, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Jet 22-inch drum sander. The Jet 649,005 K22x44 plus 22-inch 1-3/4 horsepower drum sander is the perfect tool for any workshop that demands precision and efficiency in their sanding projects. Powered by a 1-3/4 horsepower, 115-volt one-phase motor, this sander provides consistent performance and always works at its optimal level. One of the standout features of the Jet 649,005K is its zinc-plated steel tension rollers that ensure a secure grip on the workpiece and eliminate slippage, resulting in a smooth and even finish. The adjustable drum height and downward pressure make it easy to eliminate snipe and achieve a precise and even finish on your workpiece. The 1/16 inch per turn height adjustment and thrust-bearing height adjustment features allow you to adjust the drum height with precision and ease. Additionally, the large, easy-to-use cast iron height adjustment hand wheel allows both radical height changes and minute adjustments, providing extremely precise sanding thickness control. Overall, the Jet 649,005K drum sander is a powerful and efficient tool that provides unmatched precision and accuracy. With its adjustable drum height and downward pressure, precision height adjustment, and easy-to-use hand wheel, it is an essential addition to any woodworking workshop. Thanks for watching our video on the best drum sanders. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for the perfect tool for your sanding projects. Don't forget to check the links in the description box for more information and to make your purchase.